How to add reviews to Shopify Store. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Shopify website right here and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, once you are here, the next thing that we need to do is to click this online store. Once you're now here, click the customize button, which is located right here. Once you click that, you will be redirected into this page. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen and then click this icon. Once you do that, click Shopify App Store, and then you will be redirected into another website wherein you will see this Judge.me product reviews app. So I want you to click that. And then once you click that, you will see this install button. So click that install button, and then you should be redirected into this page wherein you can click the install button again. So let's click install right here. Now, while it is installing, Shopify actually have an ongoing deal right now in which you will only need to pay $1 per month for 3 months. So as you can see right here, for the basic, for the Grow version and the advanced version, you will only need to pay $1 for the first 3 months. So if you want to grab that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below into the description box, and then of course the pinned comment section, you will see a link right there which will redirect you right here and of course avail their deal. So going back into the video, so once you're now here, you will be redirected right here in which you will need to select a language. I will leave it as it is. So I'm just going to click start setup and then click this app embed. And then once you click app embed right there, you will need to enable it right here and make sure that it is turned on. And then once it is done, click the save button right here on the upper right corner of the screen. And then once you're now done, let's go back right here and then click continue. The next thing that we need to do is to click widget block again, and then you will be redirected into this part again in which you will only need to click the save button again. So just click the save button. As you can see, the review widgets have been added. So let's go back into this part and then click continue. And then click install the star ratings badge. So just click widget. So just click this again. You should be able to see that the review widget has been already added. So just click the save button right here. And then once you're now done, just go back again and then click continue. So right here, you can actually change the color of the reviews right here. So if you want to use another color, let's say for example that you want to correspond it into your brand, of course you can change that by just clicking this and then of course put the hex code. So just click that, and then once you're done, just click continue. And then for the automatic review requests, you can also edit this for the domestic orders and the international orders. So I will just leave it as it is, and then I will click finish. And then once you're now here, of course, you'll now be able to see the insights of the reviews right here. So you will see the review request sent, reviews over time, and so on. So once you do that, once you've now completed that, you can now add it into your website. So that is basically it. Once again, that is how to add reviews to Shopify Store.